a part of it.
Well, and so there's that piece, which is like, be weird. And I used to
Mm-hmm.
always be inspired by the bumper stickers that I would see when I was growing up, and it would be like, keep Portland weird or keep Austin weird. And I always thought that was so funny because it was almost taking back the idea of weird being a bad thing and saying, no, we
We want
fly
it.
that freak flag and we are claiming it.
Mm.
And so there's that piece. But then on the other side, if it's just a weird community that you're looking to be a part of, you can go to a lot of different subreddits and get that, or many different Discord servers. What I also try, and the other value is, can we have very deeply technical and educating content? And back to the point of why a lot of companies struggle with community, I think people don't realize how much content you really need to be pumping out in so many different mediums, because everyone's different. Some people read, some people like to listen, some people like to just read short form, some people really want deep dives, they want how to's. And so you want to meet people where they are. Some people like videos and they want to watch. And so the community
And
almost
I think
needs
it's not
to
it's
adapt.
not you mentioned the formats, and I fully agree, right? The formats, people consume it differently, right? 100%. It's also interesting when you see folks who do, like some like super short podcasts,
Yeah.
get to the point, have everything pre-prepared, and the other ones are, well, let me listen to the rambling because there's
Uh-huh.
cool stuff in the rambling. But anyway, um, I think that's the not the only part of formats, right? The part that, to me at least, sets this particular community apart is how much sort of long tail, super practitioner, super from firsthand experience content people have created and shared in the community, whether that be discussions or discussions with you, discussions in that Slack, or I presume other stuff as well, like the talks and stuff. Like when you think about it, there's just so many different stacks you can talk about, so many different sub tools, sub problems within MLOps, and to get someone who has done it to talk about it, this is gold. But how do you get someone who has done it to talk about it?